What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am Keybeard and we are here in the lock shed. Thank you all for joining me. On today's little video, we're going to be picking open a Yale Eaton with a very interesting kick, KIK. You see, this is the shape of the entire kick. It is a 5-pinner lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bitting doesn't look too difficult, now does it? It all looks like the same, except for this low pin on 5. So a low pin on the back, I wouldn't really worry about it. It does work lovely. Look at that. And we will be taking it apart. There's a Phillips screw right there. So enough yapping. Let's go a picking. I'm going to go ahead and get it set up here. That's lovely. There we go. That is awesome. So if you notice there on this keyway here, like right, it does have a pretty good curvy keyway. So I'm not even going to bother with top of the keyway tension. I'm going to go right here at the bottom of the keyway tension. Yep, right there. And since I don't really want my pick to try and turn that corner, I'm not going to use that space anyway, so I might as well fill it with a tension wrench. All right, let's get started. We're going to go ahead and use the bottom of the keyway. And I'm going to use a DeForest diamond. And let's see if I can do this without touching the camera and keeping it out of everybody's way. There we go. All right, let's begin. Got nothing on 1. I got something on 2. Let me see if I can crawl under there. Okay, nice click on 2. And then 4. And then nothing. There was something on 4, 3, let's see here, a couple clicks. So even though I'm on the bottom, I'm still having to kind of work my way around that keyway. So see if I got anything. Nope, nothing yet. That felt like a good something. Sorry, I keep bumping the camera. I'm going to try and move away from the camera a little bit. And there we go. Okay. There it goes. And the shackle pop. Awesome. All right. Let's go ahead and gut this guy and see what we got inside. There we go. We'll set the keys right there. All right. So the only thing, I didn't feel any security pins or anything like that, and I'm going to go ahead and lock it back up. There we go. I didn't feel any security pins. The only thing that was difficult is just that keyway. Like if you see right here, I had to try to like push my tool kind of up and then up this way as well to kind of get it to, especially if you looked at that key to begin with, these are pretty high cut, you know, compared to pin 5 there. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. I don't think there were security pins. It's just the keyway that was giving you some trouble. So we just got a Phillips screwdriver here. Down she goes. Now this is an interesting kick. So look, it's even got like a big guarded wall in the back. There's no way you're going to shim anything from the front on this guy. And if I can get it to focus, there we go. If you see that little pin right there, this pin right here is what's holding that core in. So I can't just use a follower and pull it out. So I'm going to have to remove this clip up here. I don't know why my camera just likes to focus on different things. I'm going to use this clip and pull that off and just pull them out one by one. So I'm just going to use a screwdriver real quick. And just kind of pry up. Got to be careful not to let the springs just bounce out of there. So carefully. Okay, camera. Enough with the weirdness now. Come on. There we go. Alright, so it is a 5-pinner. It looks like it could be pinned up for 6 pins. I'm going to grab my tweezers and we're just going to go ahead and pull the springs out first. And these just look like your normal copper springs. Oops. Oops. They're just bouncing everywhere, aren't they? There we go. Oh, we'll just grab number 5 real quick. And number 4. Come on out. There we go. Alright. Now I'm just going to plug every hole except for pin 1 and drop them. So there's that and that. There we go. Chamber 2. Drop those. Chamber 3. Chamber 4. Chamber 5. There we go. So if you notice, I can still like push on that core and nothing's coming out. I can spin it now, but I can't, you know, push that core out because this pin is what's holding that core in place. So if you actually want to find a way to get that pin out, which is kind of impossible because it looks like it's almost like a ball bearing kind of wedged in there. So drilling it out might be a big problem. But here we go. Let me get these all cleaned up, looking a little nicer. We got pin 1. Pin 2. 3. 4. And 5. I gotta tell you, even though these were high cut on the key, look at the size of those key pins. Those are long pins, guys. But there you have it. Here's the key again. If you notice, like they're pretty long still, so they had a lot of travel in them. But there you have it, folks. That's the Yale Eaton with an interesting keyway. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah. And lock and subscribe. And happy picking, everybody.